Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2017 Kia Sportage LX. Lots of standard features. So let's do a quick walk around the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features. So it's it's like a slate blue metallic color, really sharp as you can see. You got the alloy wheels, as you've already seen, low kilometers, so lots of factory warranty remaining. So again, nice sharp looking vehicle. I like the taillights and how it goes right across. It kind of gives it a nice cool look to it. So again, 4 cylinders, so fuel efficient. So if you're looking for a fuel efficient SUV, this may be a good option for yourself. So again, Sportage mid-size vehicle, lots of standard features. We showed you the alloy wheels, you have the fog lights, nice cool funky grille on the front there, hood's in nice shape. The reason we like to do these videos is for transparency. So as you can see, no damages, no major scratches, dents or dings. So that way, if you're like me, you like to do a little shopping at home before you decide to come visit, you know exactly what to look for. I'll take these mats out. So our detailer leaves the mats in the back. So there's a little bit of, we'll get rid of that for you. So again, good sized trunk. You got anchors on all 3 seats. Those seats are 60/40 split folding, so you can put 1 down, put 2 down if you're doing a little project at home. Definitely have the capability to get a little bit more cargo space. Now we leave the mats in the back. That way they stay nice and clean for the potential buyer. And your spare is down here. Oh, you got a little trunk space and a spare. So it has actually no spare in this one. It's got the kit, the blow-up kit. So you got some additional cargo space down there. I apologize. I forgot that some of the Kias come with the tire repair kit instead. Move up over here. So good sized back seats. You got cup holders in the center which can be moved up. As you can see, the cloth's in nice shape. There you go, you got some rear ventilation. You got a 12-volt plug in there. So some nice features. Power windows in the rear, which is to be expected in a vehicle of this status. So let's open it up, let's take a look at some of the interior features. So, things you'd expect to find: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have locking rear windows. You've got an adjustable driver's seat, which is nice, so different heights. You have the ability to change your interior illumination. You have traction control, which you can shut off. I'm going to jump in. I'm going to adjust the seat up a little bit. So seat is also adjustable up, down, forward, backwards. You take the key, turn it on. All right, so let's go over some of the standard features you expect to find in this Sportage. So right on the steering wheel, you have all your Bluetooth hands-free calling here with your voice recognition. On the right-hand side, you got your cruise control. You also have your information center, so you can toggle through and personalize the vehicle. On cruise control, obviously, right there. You've got drive modes, so you can drive it in eco, sport, or normal mode. So again, different ways to drive the vehicle. Toggle through and see what best suits your needs. You have downhill brake assist control. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. 3-stage heated seats on both sides. Got air conditioning, front rear defrost. Here's your hazards right here. So nice, easy, well thought out, laid out, and that's what's nice about vehicles like this. You don't have to fondle or look for things. Good size display, heads up display, backup camera right there, Bluetooth, Sirius XM capability. So if you have a XM subscription, you can update it. If you don't, you just go to the radio ID channel 00. You can call in, add it, try it out. Really cool stuff. So again, lots of standard features. Yeah, play around, Bluetooth, which
Bluetooth on from your device
there
in
you go.
order
I didn't bring my phone with me, so we won't do that. So again,
on
lots of standard
device,
features.
Select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
Good kilometers, 2017 Kia Sportage, Bluetooth, backup camera, factory warranty. Could be a good option for you. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. I want to thank you for joining us in the virtual showroom today. We just looked at this 2017 Sportage. We look forward to seeing you soon. As always, you can book an appointment, stop by. We'd love to see you. Shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com.